Pairing the WS101 Bluetooth communication badge. In this video, we will learn how to pair the WS101 Bluetooth communication badge. The WS101 offers 3 Bluetooth pairing methods: Discover to pair, Scan to pair, and Tap to pair. We will be covering how to pair your device using the Discover to pair method. With your device powered off, press and hold the power button to power on your device. Continue holding the power button until the LED ring flashes blue-white alternating and pairing is announced. On your host device, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and scan for available devices. Select the WS101 in your list of discovered Bluetooth devices. Once selected, your device should now be successfully paired to your host device.